2024 की मोस्ट एंटिसिपेटेड फिल्म्स में से एक कल की 2898 AD थिएटर्स में रिलीज हो चुकी है एंड वी आर हियर टू गिव अ डिटेल्ड रिव्यू ऑन हाउ इज द फिल्म. सो स्टे ट्यून and watch this video till the end. Starting with the plot, 6,000 years later, in a dystopian future, only two cities remain. Kashi, ruled by the evil supreme Yaskin, and Shambhala, a hidden city of rebels who are trying to fight against the evil doings of the complex. Awaiting the 10th avatar of Lord Vishnu, Kalki, who is in the womb of a woman named Sumati, played by Deepika Padukone. Whereas Bhairava, a bounty hunter of complex, played by Prabhas, tries to capture her and fight Sumati's destined protector, Ashwathama. अब main characters के performance की बात करें तो the biggest highlight of the epic dystopian adventure is the Amitabh Bachchan as Ashwathama. His portrayal of a demigod out of a mythical time period who's emotionally desperate to serve his duty to the god and repent his sins is absolutely marvelous to witness on the big screen. Especially in the action sequences, Prabhas as Bhairava is thoroughly entertaining and enjoyable. He is absolutely funny and charming throughout the film, especially the bond that he has with his car Bujji. Whereas Deepika as Sumati nails down her performance, especially in the interval block. That will generate goosebumps through your veins. अब कल की जैसी फिल्म जो उसके VFX और BGM के बिना अधूरी है, has done a great job as well. The visual effects educated by DNEG achieves flawless results. From the dystopian aesthetics of Kashi to the pleasing beauty of Shambhala, the film defines the phrase visual treat in the purest form. Moving to the BGM, Santosh Narayana doesn't miss the mark in that category at all. The blood-pumping BGM of the film increases the viewing experience 10 times more, especially in the chase sequences and hand-to-hand combat scenes between Prabhas and Amitabh Bachchan is truly commendable. Well, no film is the best, और कल की में भी कुछ चीजें ऐसी थी that could have been better, like specific 15 minutes in the first half featuring Disha Patani and Prabhas is an unnecessary subplot that doesn't contribute anything to the story or the character arc and is the biggest drawback of the film, which also results into making the first half a little dragged and lethargic. Well, अब आपको फिल्म के pros and cons तो पता ही हैं and the final verdict for the film is that Kalki 2898 AD is a film that Indian cinema desperately needed. It was about time that someone comes out and portrays an epic tale from the stories that come from the heartland of the nation and represent us on the map of world cinema. Except a few weak characters and some unnecessary subplots, Kalki 2898 AD is the film to watch on the big screen and it is highly recommended. And we Moviefied give Kalki 2898 AD a solid 3.5 stars. अगर आपने फिल्म देखी है तो बताइए आपको क्या अच्छा लगा फिल्म के बारे में, और अगर नहीं देखी है so do go to your nearest theaters and watch the film. Then let us know your views in the comment section below and for more such latest updates do follow our page.